Now to a months-long federal court case that is seeking to put restrictions on federal officers' use of force during immigration enforcement. Today, that case was expected to be dismissed, but that is not what happened. Our Sabrina Franza joins us live from the federal courthouse with more. Sabrina.
Hey, Maria, we were very confused. We were expecting that. Judge Sarah Ellis today said, though, that she has concerns, especially after what's happened in Minneapolis, that tossing this case would also mean tossing all of the rules that she had said governing officers' use of force in the Chicago area. We asked the attorneys who were leading this case why they want to dismiss it.
The legal standards that apply here require that there is some ongoing or imminent risk of harm. And so currently that is not present because Bovino has left the jurisdiction.
Now, for months, Chicagoans watched as officers' use of force was documented in the streets of Chicago. Those videos were replayed in court, and Judge Sarah Ellis mentioned those today in saying that she also has those same concerns that officers might come back and enforce.
Not too long ago, protests at Broadview, tear gas in Old Irving Park with children in the street. And in Little Village, Commander Gregory Bovino caught tossing it. It's why a group of people at the center of those scenes, protesters, some media, and even clergy, filed this lawsuit. They were successful when Judge Sarah Ellis eventually issued a preliminary injunction restricting federal officers from using certain force unless absolutely necessary, finding it rarely, if ever, was. Commander Bovino testified about his agents' actions, which DHS at times justified by calling protesters rioters who, quote, boxed in or rammed federal vehicles. Judge Ellis had ordered Border Patrol agents to begin using body-worn cameras to better capture what happened in the street. Some are drawing parallels from what we saw here.
Things have really escalated. Irritant has been sprayed.
To what's unfolding in Minneapolis. Immigration enforcement met with protests resembling those in Chicago, especially following the fatal shooting death of 37-year-old Renee Good. Federal officers are using similar weapons on and words to describe crowds, calling people rioters, and also claiming they're using cars as weapons.
Judge Ellis has also ordered the federal government to start releasing hours and hours long worth of video for the public to see. All of that is what she used to consider her decision in this case. We will be looking for that in the next few months. She's taking until January 22nd to review this decision, whether or not she'll dismiss this case. Live at the Dirksen Federal Building, Sabrina Franza, CBS News, Chicago.
Sabrina, thank you for the update.